welcome. I just got in the mail one of the Jesse James Secret Stash boxes. I'm super excited. I received this as part of the Jesse James Beads Design Ambassador Program, but they are selling these Secret Stash boxes for anyone, and y'all, I love a good surprise. That's what these are. These boxes are specially curated so that things go together, and each one's a little bit different. I've seen a couple reveals online myself, and I can't wait to see what's in this because it's not going to be like anything anybody else gets. So if you're interested, I'll have links to the Secret Stash box below so you can get your own surprise box. I can't wait anymore to see what's in this, so let's get to it. I've already cut the sides of this so that we don't have to wait. So let's get this open. Okay, I'm already gasping because I see blues, y'all. I'm all about the blues. I got this from Emily, packed my box, and so we're gonna see what Emily got for me in the Secret Stash box. All right, I'm gonna grab what comes up first, and y'all, look, I love this. What is this? This is called I Will Always Love You. But look at this. I really love that these are like silveries and whites and perfect to go with anything. Like just perfectly neutral. All of that can go with anything. So there's another bead strand here. I'm going to go ahead and grab it. It does not have a name on it. It is also silvers, but this we've got the blues. I'm trying to figure out these larger beads on here. They feel like stone, so I'm trying to figure out what they are, and I can't quite make it out. And these also, these faceted ones, they have some banding in them. You see this one here? So it's also stone. I am loving this. All right, here we have a cerulean blue trend color. I kind of want to open this. Should we open it? So this is from the spring and summer. Y'all, I'm so bad about, I just want to tear into things. Okay, so I am tearing into this, and this goes perfectly with this other bead strand here. So I've got this one large, I don't even know what you call this, but it's got like micro beads on it, along with some like little rhinestones, and it is definitely a focal bead. I'm trying to decide how I would use that. All right, we've got some large glass pearls, a couple of these really beautiful. Do you see all of the color in that? Lovely. These, trying to decide if these are stone or glass. I think they're glass, but they're kind of a moonstony blue white. Oh, look at these chunky, I love them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I love them. Actually, I think these are these are two different colors. Can you see the difference? Oh, but I love all the faceting of them. Yeah, and these two have like flat on the edges, and these are not as flat on the ends. All right, then we've got some really big head pins. These will be perfect on these large ones if I so choose to use them that way. There are a couple of silver beads in here, some more bead caps. I'm trying to see if these are all, we've got these little rondelle blue ones, a couple of pretty faceted crystals, and a couple of bicones. All right, that was gorgeous. I'll grab this next because it's right here. These are Global Hues. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is from Dress It Up. So Dress It Up is a sister company of Jesse James. And but all of this stuff is curated from Jesse James. So, all right, this is what catches my attention are these little globes. Y'all, they're like little snow globes with beads in them. I'm just giddy about these. No big deal. These are like a metallic fiber wrapped bead, and then these, y'all, are like fuzzy, I don't even know, super cute fuzzy balls. These are very wintry, but I think we could definitely just get some fun out of them. All right, this is drawing my look at this Oh, y'all. This, I think, is almost too big for jewelry and will have to be worked into something even more extraordinary. And I'm trying to decide if it can go into some of my assemblage. That would be super fun. Oh, ideas are percolating. All right, this is a Design Elements. These are some nice 11-0 Toho seed beads in 3 different colors. This is the Forest Floor. I love that. I know a little bit about working with seed beads. I've done a couple little things. Some gold head pins. Lovely. Can't go wrong with head pins. I'm going to put this aside because, yeah. All right, this looks like it's a connector of some kind. If I can figure. There we go. Ooh. Look at that. This is a double-sided. I don't know if you can even see that color. That is really pretty. I'm not sure if that's stone or glass, but it's a beautiful, I see that as just a really simple bracelet. Yeah. Beautiful. This is another, ooh, it's a very Southwestern feeling is what I'm getting through the packaging, but we're going to get this open. Waste no time. All right, this is a beautiful Southwestern inspired pendant, and it is missing something right here, but I'm sure I can figure out a way to fix that and add something else to it. So that is super neat. All right, that's some kind of composite stone or something in there, or resin, and that might be the easiest way to fix it, is to mix up some resin to put in there. And then I think this is the last thing. Yes, we're gonna pull this out of the way. And this is one of the little magical mystery, oh, this is for the magical mystery bead box. That's, wait, yeah, this is a secret stash box, sorry. And this is called Mediterranean Vibes, and y'all may have to give me a second to get it open. Okay, I've gotten that open, and y'all, I realize I'm getting somehow off frame. All right, oh my gosh, I'm already falling in love with this. I don't even know what this is. This is part wood, part resin, and just reminds me of the beach. All right, let's see if we can get all of this out. There's 2 of them. Okay, y'all, so excited. So there are 2 of these resin and wood pieces that just, yeah, automatically scream the beach to me. A couple of these light blue glass beads. I love this. Is a like a large faceted matte, like beige ones. There's some more like beigey faceted. This is very beach to me, y'all. Oh, I love it. These are some little they're like the I'm getting extra stuff, like the little micro bead things, which are also like a nice beige. This beigey gray faceted glass beads. These are fun, like these off-white with the flat sides on them. I like that. These are some almost star-shaped. I don't know what you would call that shape. I guess it's 6-sided, so it's a hexagon. Couple of cute beads. These look similar to the ones I used last month, but they have more of a blue to them. And then there are a couple of, trying to get them, there's 4 of these silver metal beads. Some really neat, I haven't seen bead caps like these before. Really like those. These really cool bead caps. These are some charms that are these like silver flower charms, and then a nice collection of bead caps. Y'all, okay, so this is my secret stash box from Jessie James Beads, and y'all, I cannot be more thrilled. This is a blue and green palette with some neutrals, and that is absolutely me. And you know, I love the surprise of it, because I had no idea when I found out I was getting a secret stash box. I was like, oh, it could be anything. And this, y'all, my wheels are turning. This baby, this baby's got me thinking. All right, all of it's got me thinking, because there's so many possibilities. What would you do with some of these beads? Do you have any ideas? Let me know below. And I will be sharing some stuff that I made, if not here on YouTube, then on Instagram or my blog or any of my other social media. But y'all go check out jessiejames.com and pick up one of these secret stash boxes and get a big surprise, because, oh, surprises are so much fun. All right, y'all. Thanks for coming by. If you like this, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, bye.